Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add or change your YouTube watermark on your videos in 2022. Alright, so I'm here on our YouTube dashboard right now, and you want to head over to the left-hand side and go to Customization. From here, you want to click on Branding, and you'll see a couple of different things, but if you scroll all the way down, you see Video Watermark. Now you might have one, you might not have one. We do have one, so I want to change it. But before I do that, you can see some display times. So you can either choose to display the watermark at the end of your video, a custom start time, or the entire video. I've always chosen to leave it for the entire video. So I want to change it up, so I'm going to click Change, and I'm going to change it to this one right here. So you want to crop it accordingly. This is already perfect, so I don't need to change anything. Click Done. That's what it's going to look like. And I'm going to click Publish. Now if we go to one of our YouTube videos, you see here this video right here, why we make $2,000 to $4,000 a month with Google ad revenue. You can see here as I hover underneath here, this was the new watermark that I added to our videos. I wanted to change it to a purple play button so that it matches our branding, as you can see here. So if I was able to help you out at all, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video.